All right, so Scotty's been working it in the back.
I love this car, dude, so much.
Look!
So much.
So he got the seats up.
I wiped them down.
Gave them a little wipe
They're just little, I mean, they're just dirty.
Yeah, but look.
Because they haven't
been opened.
been used in years and years and years.
But look at the upholstery. It's perfect.
Yeah. There's no rips. There's no tears. I mean, I might, depending on what the owner says, I might try and spend some time back here.
He's going to come by today, so you guys can have a powwow on that.
Yeah, I would love to, if the owner would allow me, us as a shop is what I should say. I want to restore
Well, you're the one that would be doing this part.
back here.
You're the
and-
interior monkey.
Yeah, the interior stuff. Get all the metal off, get it scrubbed, cleaned, and then get the proper paint with the satin finish.
Give it a little respray.
And reshoot all of the metal, which is 95% of the interior back here is metal.
Yes.
So he would have a flawless interior.
God, look at that.
I know, dude, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it needs a vacuum yet, stuff like that.
Yeah, we're just kind of...
But even, you ready?
yeah.
Even the mat is in good shape.
Nice.
I was like, you gotta be kidding me. Nope, it's in really, really, really good shape. There's no
Beautiful.
rips, nothing. But now, everybody, you ready for the bad news?
No. Because now that you've vacuumed in here... Oh, my.
It's
Oh, weird.
completely, I mean...
That window would never roll upright with that being completely gone.
It's
So-
rotted. I mean, it's just, it's gone.
So Ken either A, needs a gate,
Yep.
B,
No.
we need to get creative. And
Yeah. Well,
do
the
what
only
we
problem
can.
is the metal is so far gone. You'd have to cut.
God, that's
Yeah,
so
I mean,
soft.
it's not even salvageable.
Yeah, it's not even worth
It's
trying.
just not. I mean, now if we can get another door, we have all the parts. We can put all the insignias and
the
everything
actual
back on
mechanism
again.
for the window itself is intact.
Yeah.
I mean, the motor needs to be replaced, which we have.
Yep.
We have here. We're going to do that. Maybe we'll do that later, even, just so that actually actuates.
Yep.
And
Or
check
see
our
if we
wiring.
can even.
Get power. We'll test for power back
Yeah,
here.
because I mean, the only problem is this bracket that everything is on. Let me get on that
It's
side.
completely
And
rusted.
I can show you.
Yeah.
That is supposed to be, quote, welded to the door.
Yeah.
And
It's never going to roll up right. So
no matter what we do, so I'm wondering,
Ken's going to come over a little later.
Yeah.
So we'll have a little powwow with him.
yeah, and see if we can't find a
See
way
what
to
he
get
wants to do. And we'll go from there.
another door and put it on. Now, if I remember correctly, this is a
You can barely remember your name sometimes.
this is true. Now,
That's why it's written on your underwear in Sharpie. But the-
asshole.
No, Scotty, but the C's backwards. Because you're 6.
Yeah. So
Anyway.
do we? I don't remember. This door actuates as opening this way and also flipping forward, or no? I don't remember.
No, this one does not.
Okay.
The later ones do the actual tailgate.
Okay, gotcha.
This one
gotcha.
does the
Where they would open this way
or
not.
yeah, either
Yeah.
or.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Like
Oh, I know,
Dennis's Squire, which we have video on the channel. That it's sold. It actually went to Illinois. That was a
Oh wow, nice.
that
nice.
was an interesting. I got a random phone call one day. Hey, I saw this Country Squire on your YouTube channel. Are they interested in selling? I'm like, hold on, let me call Dennis. Dennis, you want to sell? Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Tell him this much. So I tell him that much, and the guy goes, how about this much? I call back. How about this much? Yeah, we got it. Boom, boom, done.
Oh, nice.
There you go.
That's
Even
cool.
better. Even
Yeah.
better.
Yeah.
But I mean, yeah, I mean, it
but
needs a
his-
door.
Where was I? It opened like this, or it opened like a truck
Oh,
tailgate.
that's cool.
Yeah, that's a whole nother fun. But I changed the motor in that one and got it all working.
But yeah, I mean, we've got.
are.
So if we get a door that needs a handle, we've got it. If it needs insignia, we got it. You know, stuff like that.
Yeah,
We just
But-
need something that's a little bit cleaner.
yeah,
Not so,
Yeah, not quite so falling apart.
disintegrating.
It is what it is, you know.
yeah.
But I can't get over.
Look at how nice that is.
That is
I want to restore the interior.
Yeah.
Not like, oh my God, factory fresh, but I want to restore all the metal parts because I think with the metal parts being good and looking proper, it'll kind of really boast his ego to go, hey, I got to spend some time on this.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing's great.
You know, it's
Oh,
funny.
it's beautiful, dude.
My-
Absolutely beautiful.
My kids, if I had this, I could have the back seat up, they would beg to sit back here.
Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
They would,
Oh yeah.
and they would have a blast.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
you don't find stuff like this anymore.
No, this
This
was
is a
cool.
true survivor car. Granted, it's got some issues, but it's a true survivor car,
Well,
and
it
I'm
fired
honored.
up. I mean, it didn't run great, but it fired up this morning.
Yep, it
We'll-
fired
we'll
up.
dig in there in a little while.
Yeah.
I look at it this way: it's an honor to work on it. Legitimately, it's an honor to work on it, and I can't wait to get more
Alrighty,
done.
boys.
I really
So,
can.
Let's.
We can get this one moved.
We gotta
we'll
move
get this
this.
one moved because we got to get
and
the
we gotta
Mustang
get the
in.
Studebaker
The
out.
Avante's got to come
I
out.
got to do the inspection on the Mustang. Scotty, you got a hub. You got to get on now. Because it's been like an hour already. Customer waiting. And it's for our neighbors. So double customer waiting. That's important. So look at that. God damn. Move your ugly ass head. I'm trying to take a picture.
Damn, so mean.
I know, right?
I say it in loving manner. Okay. That's
the
incredible.
problem. It's still,
It's still pretty damn nice.
yeah,
Except it's completely rotten.
yeah.
But man, I love it.